Welcome to the craziest cooking competition ever!
Today our contestants are Donald Trump, Kim Jong-un, and Benjamin Netanyahu.
Donald Trump looks very confident today.
Thank you very much. We're going to have tremendous food with me.
Kim Jong-un is ready with a lot of spices. Benjamin Netanyahu is secretly learning from YouTube.
The cooking competition starts now.
Oops, Trump just dropped the egg.
That looks way too spicy. He's not wrong. More flavor. It's a disaster.
Netanyahu is making a delicious pizza.
Trump is cooking very fast now.
Oh no! Now the kitchen is full of smoke.
Netanyahu looks shocked.
This is the best dish.
Trump is building a giant burger.
Kim Jong-un prepares spicy noodles.
This burger is going to be huge, believe me.
The spaghetti is perfect, very delicious. The pizza goes into the oven.
The judge tries Trump's dish.
Let's try Kim Jong-un's noodles. Very curious flavor. Made with a special blend. I see.
Now the judge tastes Netanyahu's pizza.
It's time to announce the winner. The winner is Kim Jong-un.
What a crazy cooking competition.
Yes, man! This is a disaster!